I try to make every customer happy when he's coming, to feel like in his home. I moved from Jordan. I came in 2001. After that, we see the community, it's become bigger. I opened a restaurant in 2005 called Petra. We took the name from Petra, from the city in Jordan. It's from the Seven Wonders. I started cooking in 1988. Food and hospitality, it's in our culture. We like to be like very generous with the customer. I try to serve like authentic food for our customers, and our specialty here actually is the hummus and the falafel. Yeah, we do it very nice, very good, and everything actually is from scratch. We do it from here. Ready? When I know if we have a new customer, we try to serve him very good. We give him like extra food to try. We give him like hummus, falafel to try first time, to go happy from our restaurant. We start every day, 7 days a week, from 11 to 10. Friday, Saturday, 11 to 11. We're looking forward to everyone to join us. Thank you so much.